Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crispy fried corn. To begin, select either fresh or frozen corn kernels. Both work wonderfully. The most crucial step for crispiness is to ensure your corn is completely dry before it touches the hot oil. This prevents splattering and helps achieve that perfect golden crunch. Gather your corn, a good cooking oil, and your favorite seasonings. Now let's get frying. Heat about 1/2 inch of your chosen cooking oil in a large skillet over a steady medium-high heat. It's important not to overcrowd the pan, so fry your corn in small, manageable batches. Cook each batch for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. You'll know it's ready when the kernels turn a beautiful golden brown and are wonderfully crispy. Once your corn is perfectly crispy, carefully remove it from the hot oil using a slotted spoon. Transfer the golden kernels to a plate lined with paper towels. This helps absorb any excess oil, ensuring maximum crispiness. The key to great flavor is to season your corn immediately while it's still hot. A simple sprinkle of salt and pepper or your favorite spices works wonders. Your crispy fried corn is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot as a fantastic side dish for almost any meal. To elevate the flavors, consider garnishing with some fresh herbs, such as finely chopped cilantro or parsley. If you enjoy a little heat, a small pinch of cayenne pepper sprinkled over the top adds a delightful spicy kick. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.